This video is for my college, TU Dublin. It's part of my 6-month work placement in college. I'm just going to tell you about my internship experience. Hi, my name is Owen Byrne. I study at TU Dublin. I'm currently going to my fourth year of Electrical Service and Energy Management, and this presentation is going to be about my internship experience with ethos engineering that I had to do part of my college curriculum, where I had to do a 6-month placement um, for college and report about it. And this video will be linked to the poster, which can be seen on the day of the presentation. Okay, this slide will show the work that I've done. So I've done markups on Bluebeam, including general services, lighting, fire alarm, security, containment, and PV design. I've done markups on AutoCAD. I've done lift traffic analysis. I've done work on Amtech designing schematics, and I did lighting design on both Dialux and Relux, and I reviewed markups on Bluebeam and Navisworks. All this work was done during my 6-month placement, and I used knowledge that I had gained in college and also learned a lot from my internship by gaining new knowledge into Amtech and Relux and looking at models in Navisworks. So here is some of the logos of the softwares I used. Elevate 9 is for lift traffic analysis. The OR is Bluebeam, which I did design on general services and lighting and all, which I stated in my previous. This logo to the right is Amtech, which I designed schematics and loads of systems. That is then below that is AutoCAD, which I done markups on. Um, the far left is Dialux, which I done lighting designs. The middle bottom one is Relux, which I also done lighting designs, and the bottom far right is Navisworks. Um, Personally, I spent most time on Bluebeam, marking up, but also a lot of time on Dialux, doing lighting designs. But also learned how to use Elevate 9, Navisworks, Relux, and Amtech. So during my internship with Ethos, I wasn't just designing and doing lighting calculations on Dialux or Amtech. I had to send emails and attend calls to discuss how projects will turn out. This would nearly be once or twice a week I'd attend calls. At the start, I was mainly getting taught how to do things correctly, but by the end of it, I was let to work on my own accords, and which led to me being confident in the work I'd done, which will help when I go back to college. Going into my internship, I believed I knew everything about engineering, but I was proved wrong during the 6 months. Um, what I gained was I furthered my knowledge into electrical engineering, learning new softwares and how to do things differently. Um, I also learned the standards more in depth as I know how to scan through standards to find important information rather than spend an hour reading through the entire thing. I became more comfortable with software that I'd used previously and also learned how to use new software. I became better with time management and organizational skills, which just because I was working closely with other people and we had project deadlines, and these people taught me how to do everything properly. So this slide is more for people who are looking to join Ethos Engineering, whether it's that a summer internship, you have to do placement for college, or to work there full time. Um, So everyone I met in the company was very nice. Everyone works hard together as a team. Anytime I had a problem or a query, I could go to anyone if I ever felt stuck, and they take time out of my day to help me. I had fun working in the company because I was enjoying the work done. And then during my time in ETOS, I realized that everyone works hard but also maintains an important, healthy social life by planning social events. So I went to social events such as a treasure hunt. I went sailing with ETOS, and it was quite fun because I got to know people outside of work, and it wasn't all just about work. We also maintained a positive and healthy social life. So this is what I hope to do after college. I hope that I will get a chance to go back to ETOS because I really enjoyed my internship. I gained a lot of information from it. I hope to return when I graduate, as I feel ETOS has the power to further my knowledge and future and further my career into the world of engineering. I hope to get to a stage while working where I can just take a project for myself and work on that project rather than having a number of tasks I have to do, whereas I can just do them tasks. So ETOS is very open to interns if anyone's looking to join. They can only take on so many, but here you can see just a few of us. There was a total of 11 interns, and this was an appreciation day that ETOS held for the interns just to thank us for all the hard work that we done throughout the summer, or for my case, the 6 months I was there. Um, I really enjoyed working with ETOS, and I think every intern that I talked to on this day was also quite happy. This is just a number of projects that ETOS have done throughout the years in the urbanism team, which is the team I worked in. You can see 5 different projects that I just picked out that I liked and looked through in my time of working. You can go onto ETOS Engineering's website and go into the project section and look through this section. You can get more information about these buildings, but it's a cool process how they design these buildings with lighting, load calculations, and the whole design process. It's um, it's not easy, but it's rewarding in the end. So this is just my advice for anyone looking to join ETOS. Overall, I would really recommend working for ETOS, whether that is to do placement for college, do a summer internship, or work there full time. It's a well-established company that has a lot to offer for anyone who works there. Overall, I really enjoyed my internship, and I feel anyone who puts in the time to work at ETOS and focuses on the work will really enjoy it if you're dedicated to the life of engineering. Um, it was really fun to meet new people and gain new experiences. Um, I really enjoyed it, and I would really recommend ETOS. So just like to say thanks for listening. Any further questions about my internship, or do you want to get to know anything more about my internship, just please contact me at this email address. It's my college email, and I'll try to reply to anyone who contacts me. Thank you.